Adverbs are descriptions of actions. For example, quickly. He drives quickly. Well. He knows English well. Badly. He does his job badly, and so on. Past participles are adjectives formed from a verb. You can either add ed to a regular verb to make a past participle, or use the third form of an irregular verb. For example, done, cooked, interested, written, and so on, to make a comparative form of an adverb or a past participle. We always add the word more before it. However, many syllabus it has quickly, and its comparative form is more quickly, slowly, and its comparative form is more slowly. Interested. Comparative form is more interested. Excited. More excited. Remember it. We only add er to an adjective. We don't add er to adverbs or past participles. To make comparative forms of adverbs and past participles, we add the word more before them. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more exciting grammar lessons.